Hello student, welcome to 5th grade science. I am Babita and today we will start a new chapter number 2, growing plants. So, we all depend on plants to survive. They help us in many ways as they give us food to eat because we get vegetables and fruit from plants, medicine to cure. For example, mint act as a medicinal plant. Oxygen to breathe. You all know that in the process of photosynthesis, plant released oxygen. And fibers for making cloth. You all know about the cotton which we get from the plant. So, therefore, plants are called our green friends. So, we should grow more and more plants and take care of them. We know that most plants produce a large number of seeds. We can take example of wheat. These seeds germinate and grow into new plants. New plants also grow from other parts of plants like stem, roots and leaves. It means we get new plant not only from seed but also from stems, roots and leaves. For example, stem of old rose plant is used to grow new one.
So, next we will study about structure of a seed. The part of seeds are number 1, seed coat. The thick outer covering of a seed is called seed coat, and on the seed we have a tiny hole and a scar. Let us understand with real example.
Here I have some kidney beans which we also called as rajma. Clear? On the paper. With these kidney beans, with the help of these kidney beans, we will understand the structure of seed. When you soaked these beans for 2 or 3 days, clear, in the water, and after 2 or 3 days, when you rub this seed with your hand, you get this kind of stuff which we called as seed coat. The thick outer covering of a seed is known as seed coat. This seed coat protects the seed from the outer harsh condition. Clear? So, on the one side of the seed, you can see here, on the one side of the seed, there is a scar. It is a scar, easily visible to all. Okay? And this is the place where seed is attached to fruit. On the top of scar, you can see here, it is a tiny hole. Clear? And this hole allows water to enter inside the seed because इस सीड के अंदर एक छोटा सा बेबी प्लांट है और उसको जो है वाटर की नीड है. तो ये जो होल है बच्चे, ये होल क्या करता है, वाटर ट्रांसफर करता है. जो आउटसाइड वाटर होता है उसको इनसाइड ट्रांसफर करता है ताकि वो छोटे बेबी प्लांट को न्यूट्रिशन मिलता रहे. Is it clear? So let us move to the second part.
So, on number 2, we have seed leaves which we called as cotyledon. Clear? Here you can see that we have 2 cotyledons, and between these cotyledon we have a baby plant which we called as embryo. Students, baby plant has baby shoot which we called as plumule and baby root which we called as radicle. So, let us again understand with the example of kidney bean.
Next part is seed leaves, which we also called as cotyledon. Inside the seed coat, these are seed coat, and inside these seed coat there is a fleshy cotyledons are formed. These are cotyledons. The white color structure you can see here, these are cotyledons, and these cotyledons store food for baby plant, and baby plant we call it as embryo. You can see here it is a dicot, it is a dicot because it has 2 cotyledon. The kidney bean has 2 cotyledon, so we call it as dicot seed. Clear? And you can see here carefully, it is a baby plant. Clear? It is a baby plant, and this baby plant is also called as embryo, and this baby plant get their food from cotyledons. We call cotyledon as seed leaves. Clear? So let us start further.
You can see in the picture that the monocot seed and dicot seed. Monocot seed has one cotyledon, and whereas dicot has two cotyledons. If I talk about the leaves of monocot and dicot, then the leaves of monocot is narrow, whereas dicot has a broad shaped leaf. Here some example of monocot seeds are rice and wheat, and example of dicot are pea, gram, kidney bean, etc. So next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching.